What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today is track day. Change the plan. Thinking about it last night, I said, man, I can't take Big Dolo, which I found out what the problem is with Big Dolo. I did buy a forward manual valve body. I thought I did. It is a forward manual valve body in there, but it made it into a 2-speed 400. So it's a 2-3 shift. People probably saying what that means. It starts the transmission off in second gear. There's no first gear. No first gear in the transmission. That's the way the valve body set up, man. I ain't realize it. I just got a manual valve body with trans brake built in. I bought it because it had the trans brake, but I didn't realize it was a 2-3 shift. That's why I like, man, it feel funny. And man, DJ was talking last night, so we're gonna change the valve body out there to be like it's supposed to. Cause I gotta have them 3 gears, cause I ride. I like to ride, but it starts the transmission off in second gear. And what it does, it just calms it down, makes it more manageable, the power and stuff. So, which I ain't trying to have managed. I manage it other ways. So, I ain't driving Big Dolo right now. Or we already got the valve body in, so I just gotta get it back there in that showtime. I told him to hit me up when he ready. So maybe next week sometime, I don't know. But we gotta get these tires changed over on brown coat. I was gonna do all this at the track, but I ain't feel like taking all this stuff. So I got my air compressor hooked up this time because I didn't want to run the battery, drain the battery on this, pumping them up on the Milwaukee compressor. But y'all seen me do it. It will do it. It'll pump them up from flat. So I already got brown coat dug out and Dolo put back. So I'm going to get it. I'm going to get the tire changed over. And then I'm going to clean that rim off. That rim is just terrible dirty. It's terrible, man. Clean that off. And yeah, I'm gonna I plan on leaving before it get dark, man, cause I got my camera guy down there, so I'm gonna film a little bit. I'm gonna help him. Then I'm leaving. It's super cold. I don't function in the cold like that unless I have to. But like I said, I'm gonna catch some B-roll and stuff. I'm gonna make me about 2 hits. I've been wanting to take brown coat the middle of Georgia cause it's a super sticky track, so I can get a real time on motor before we spread. So that's what we about to do. Gonna get a real ET. So I'm finna do all that, and when I turn y'all back on, we'll be loaded up. So y'all stay right. So a whole hour and a half later, we loaded up, ready to go. So I'm gonna get the family, tell them come on. So y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all back on, we get to the track. All right, we checking in, man. We finally made it down here. Had forgot my helmet, man. Had to turn around and go get my helmet. We ain't make it that far though, so that's a good thing. I'll wipe y'all off. But man, when I say it's super packed down here, it's crazy packed. It's crazy packed, man. So I like, look at that paint, boy. Look at the J-Hall paint. So man, I'm finna make my hits early, cause like the staging lane gonna be ridiculous, man. You really ain't gonna be able to make a lot of passing. They got a lot of grud racing locked in. It just hectic in here, man. I ain't finna be caught up coming out of here and all these cars and stuff. It's everywhere, but good day. I'm finna go get in stage lane, check the tire pressure, all this stuff, and whatever we gotta do. That's about it, man. Y'all know brown coat simple because it's on motor right now, but we're gonna see what it do, man. Turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So y'all see, man, look at this. Staging lane, ridiculous. I'm talking about staging lane crazy. That's why I said, man, I'm gonna have to get mine in early. Go ahead and get it in for y'all so y'all get some footage. Brown coat looking good. It's dirty, man. I ain't even had time to wipe it out today, but y'all know it's all good. But we're gonna get some motor hit, man. I got the tires on 10 PSI. They're really a radial track, but we ain't got no radials for brown coat, except the Nitto, but you know how them go. So we're gonna try the old slick, man, but it don't make that much power, so it should do something. I got an idea of what kind of number it should do, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see well, what kind of number it should do down here, but we're gonna see what it do. So when I turn y'all back on, man, we're gonna be on the GoPro. Wife is gonna be filming. I got my friend Jeremy. So going down. Y'all stay tuned.
say, turn y'all back on.
All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So we just got finished with the first pass. Did about what it normally do. It did about what it normally do. So you know, it's all good. 60 foot kind of. So I believe I could have got it better if I had radios on, you know. But it is what it is. Like I said, now what it did, it consistently do that. So it's real consistent with that right there. So you know, but it's so many cars in the staging lane, I'm probably ain't gonna make no another pass. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this early in the vlog, cause it's just too much, man. We was in staging lane about an hour and a half or something like that. So I understand though, they got a lot of grudge races locked in. They got a lot of class. It's a lot of cars on the premises. So you know, their priority over test and tune, they're really not the when you come to an event, it's really not the time to do a test and tune, but I just came to do a lick for y'all, make y'all a little vlog, cause you know we supposed to have Dolo at the track, but we got the little issue we gotta get fixed. I told y'all about this morning. But yeah, man, we're gonna take back in. I'll catch y'all. All right, y'all see it, man. Been letting things sit out here, let people get some pictures and all that other stuff, get on video, all that. So I'm finna load brown coat up, cause there ain't nothing else left to do. I came to get y'all that footage, get y'all the lick. Y'all know I really don't like putting anything on the track no more now since it got painted really like that. So I'm finna gonna load up so I can get out there and start recording. Help my cameraman out. I can go out there and start get some footage of the other car, and then we won't have to bother with all this at night and all that. So I'm probably gonna load the thing up and then probably turn the trailer around. Then I can just pull out of here. Daytime, I just pull straight out. I'll probably just back the trailer in. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So y'all just stay tuned. I'll turn y'all on. Alright, y'all see it, man. Nice box 7. Right here. Clean right here. I told him to show him a little love on the vlog, man, so I got to. Yes, he did. See, he got that tack in there. They might be doing a little something. Oh yeah, that thing that nice. Yes, indeed. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Let me see. I'm wifey, y'all. Here we go. Y'all see wifey over here driving. She getting her first trailer lesson. And at nighttime, she driving, man. So she doing good. She doing good so far. I'm saying get her familiar with the feel of it, the braking and stuff. So she pushing the trailer. So we close to the house. Then, like I said, one day we're gonna take the trailer to the parking lot with I'm gonna put one of the cars on it, show her how to back up, cause it's easier with nothing on it. But I don't want to teach her like that. I want to teach her with something on it. Then she master that way, and she'll be able to get it. It'll be nothing pulling the empty trailer. So yeah, man, we headed to the house. I'll turn y'all back on again. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We made it back to the house. Pitch black though. It ain't late. Like I said, we stopped, grabbed something to eat and all that, but we made it back, man. Safe trip, man. Wife got everything put up. I just got to change the tire back over tomorrow. On brown coat. What else? That's about it. I mean, good day. Made one run. It wasn't hectic. It was just not the time for testing tune. It was a good event. It was a real good event. It's plenty of action. But it was just when the time for testing tune or whatever and all of that. So you know, it just is what it is. But I got to talk to people and kicking and everything. Some people got to see brown coat. So like I said, I'm gonna start trying to hit more events and all of that. And you know, as far as bringing all of them out at the same time, I'm saving that for something special. Man. Y'all wait to see the pull-up game next year. It might be some more. I mean, who knows? But anyway, we had a good day at the track, man. Anytime you come back in one piece and your vehicle come back in one piece, it's a good day. So yeah, they're gonna get it for the day. I went to the track basically just for y'all or whatever, to give y'all some content, cause I hate we couldn't get Big Dolo up in there, and Big Dolo would have ate today. I'm talking about it would have ate. The track was crazy. I mean, the prep, hey, ain't nothing. Either you were hooking or you gonna break something. And before I had got there, my fan Jeremy said a lot of folk had broke. So either you gonna hook or you gonna break something. But yeah, man, it's a good day. Big Dolo would have really ate today. Big Dolo would have laid low down. We would have put on show. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.